Astro bud. Astro bud, come on. Ah. You just can't attack me for saying your name. Hey, 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 hey. Bud, it's underneath your paw. It's underneath your paw. Bud, come here. Yeah, you like it? Come on. Come on, up. Up. Come on, bud. Yeah, you like it in the snow? Yeah, you like it in the snow? Yeah, you really like the snow. Astro, no. Astro, no. Nobody. Sit. Not again. Come on, bud. Buddy, come on. Dude, come on. At this point, it feels like you're just trying to hunt. Dude, I cannot keep up with you. Yeah, you like the flowers? They're gonna start blooming in spring. Come on. Come on. Come on. Buddy, come on. Backyard, buddy. Buddy, backyard. Oh, I'm scared. I don't want to step in this. I'm sure I have no clue how you found out that this would support us, but I think this is very unsafe. Are you kidding me? Really, dude? Really? Come on. We're not doing this, not today. Bro, I know your thick coat protects you from this thorns and stuff, but mine does not protect me from it. Okay, great. Now you're ignoring me. Come on. Really? Really, dude? What do you find so interesting? Is there like a rat in there or something? Dude, come on, Astro! Are you kidding me? He has fooled this dog way too much. You can see her snout. Dude. Dude, what are you doing? Astro! Astro! Come on! Astro, buddy, come on! Come on, buddy, come on! Hey! Ow, 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 dude, stop. Astro, no. Astro, no. Come on. Buddy, come on. You know what, sir? Your fur is so shiny. I don't think you guys can see the creek on camera. No, you can. It's right there. Astro, no, you cannot drink that. Dude, no. Ew, come on. Dude, no. Come on, no. Are you kidding? No, dude, come on. Come on. You're doing this. No. There's that tree. It's not even. Don't you dare. Do not. You are not doing this. No. Come on, buddy. Yeah. Do you want to run with me? Want to run with me? Come on. Hey. Come on. You just want to play. Look at me. No, that'll be it for now.